Hi guys, you are watching Mind of Technology and Info YouTube channel. Today in this video let us talk about upcoming compact hex series TVs. They are coming with ultra thin design. It means that the TV will be thinner compared to other devices including smartphone. It is very sleek in terms of design. It gets a QLED display which provides punchy colors. They have used ESC technology which will reduce motion blur while watching fast action scenes. According to Compaq, this TV's display will be able to produce 1.07 billion lifelike colors. We will also provide amazingly vivid details. This TV is coming with wide color gamut, which I said before will produce around 1.07 billion colors. They have used super brightness feature in this TV, but the brightness of the TV is of 480 nits. It is not sufficient to play a HDR10 content because HDR10 needs at least 600 nits of brightness. This TV will also support HDR10 format. It is sad to hear it because other TVs in this price range will support HDR10 plus and other formats also. This TV will get crystal clear acoustics, Dolby digital audio. It is also sad because other TVs like OnePlus Q1 will get Dolby Atmos audio. This TV's audio will get something known as sound personalization, which will automatically adjust the volume that is suitable to our ears. We can say this feature as adaptive volume control. Due to this feature, TV's audio will be crystal clear because it automatically recognizes the scene and adjusts the volume that is suitable to hear to our ears. The TV's audio is of 24 watts. It also gets DTS true surrounded audio which will make us feel surrounded sound. This TV is offered with a quad-core processor. It is Mali T860 processor. The clock speed of this processor is 1.1 GHz. It gets with 2.5 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. This TV also comes with Chromecast built-in. This will also get voice assisted commands. This TV runs on Android software, so it will be available with over 5000 apps. The 55-inch model of this TV will cost around 60,000 rupees. The 65-inch model will cost around 90,000 rupees. According to me, it is overpriced because other TVs are available at this price range with more features. They have also given a plastic cover to align cables properly and avoid them from looking ugly. The controls of this TV are given at the back of the TV. These speakers are placed towards backside. It means that the sound should first touch to walls and then come to us. But in specifications, they have said that this TV will come with bottom firing speakers. If we talk about the ports that are provided in this TV, it gets almost every port, but it misses out on optical output and HDMI ARC. It also gets something known as CI slot. In this slot, we should put CI card which will be provided with operators like Dish TV, Tata Sky, etc. and it will be replacing the normal set-top box. As I said before, this TV will be pretty thin. It is ultra thin. It is thin than a smartphone. The ESC technology used in this TV will reduce motion blur while watching fast action sequences. At back they have used silver and black colored finish to give cool looks to our TV. As I said before, the sound personalization feature will work pretty good. These are the pros that I have found in this TV. These are the cons that I have found in this TV. According to me, this TV is a bit overpriced considering its features. If you ask me to recommend other TVs from 50,000 to 1 lakh, these TVs I will recommend you. The first TV is OnePlus Q1 TV. Here are the features. The second TV will be LG's NanoCell SM9000 TV. It comes with full array local dimming which ensures perfect blacks. The next TV will be TCL's C715 QLED TV. The next TV will be again from TCL C815 TV. The next TV will be Ifalcon H71 series TVs. Among these TVs, OnePlus TV is the best TV to provide crystal clear audio with 50 watts of Dolby Atmos. The second TV will be LG NanoCell TV, which will be best for picture quality with its NanoCell display and 100 Hz of refresh rate with full array local dimming technology. So if you are looking for a good TV, either go with OnePlus or LG.